just like this. Okay, it's time to transfer my beans. This is French bean. How you say it? Buncis in Indonesia. Call it buncis. Gonna to transfer it to the ground. I've only little this year. And here is the parsley. Parsley I already put it on the ground some. And here is the courgette zucchini. But this one is still small, so I transfer it now. But look at the root is already a lot. Gonna to transfer this one first. Yeah, and also the French beans, and the rest are gonna to wait for a few weeks. Let's see what happened to my sweet potato. This one. This is sweet potato, but it's very small. How I get the sweet potato here, show you. Here is my sweet potato, but it's not look so good. It's not yet, so we're gonna wait. Okay, we're gonna transfer this one and this one. So let's go. So here I already have some parsley, and this one is the last time the rosemary. It gets so big. And here, look, the potato and the mint. Come look at I have a surprise plant here. Look at the strawberry, yay! Young, super. This is last year, but they grow again. And here the small one. Oh my, so small. But the mint, I have to transfer them in the pot so they not go everywhere. So first, gonna have to dig this sand. And then we take and I take this plant, the piece and the courgette. Beans. So what I do is like this. Then I'm gonna to put some soil. So water hebben?
Ja, ik doe het.
Pak maar de gieter.
Ja.
Now we're gonna cover it with this soil, the rest of the soil. Sika.
Ja.
He's helping me. He's helping me in the garden. And this is from last year, the rocket. And this is the chili. So make sure have enough water, but not so much. So guys, we're gonna to plant the zucchini the same way how I plant the beans, the French beans. So take it. So just like this. And we're gonna get some water, then it's finished. Okay guys, that is for today, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.